Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. As we continue to update our 96 Bronco, today we're going to take you on the step-by-step process of how to replace your tailgate to body seal. We will begin by removing the rear scuff plate by removing the 8 screws then remove the rear scuff plate from the vehicle. Next, we will remove the metal retainer that secures the lower tailgate seal. It may be necessary to use a suitable tool to pry it loose. Now, to remove the tailgate seal, peel back the edge of the carpet to reveal the mounting screw in the molded corners. Remove these from each side. Then locate the upper mounting screw in the upper molded end and remove these screws on each side. Then gently remove the old weather stripping from the body lip, moving from one side to the other. Begin the installation of the new seal by starting one of the lower corners. Once this is in place, work the seal onto the body lip, working from the bottom up. When locating the other corner, make sure the holes in the lower part are lined up with the holes in the body. Repeat for the other side. Once in place, reinstall the lower corner mounting screws, and then the upper. Next, we will reinstall the metal edge retainer. Make sure that the longer beveled edge faces the rear of the vehicle before installing the screws. Once this is installed, it's time to replace the rear scuff plate. Align the holes with the holes in the body and start the screws. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws, as this could crack or warp your scuff plate. This completes our new tailgate seal installation. As you can see, this was a simple installation, but it's one that will help keep the elements out and the road noise down inside the cabin. And next time we'll show you how to do the inner and outer anti-rattlers and the upper tailgate corner seals. Be on the lookout for those videos in the future.